This is Anastasia Morgan, and she is going to tell you her upper cervical story. Anastasia, how'd you get in here?
I got in here through a friend that I had overheard talking about his neck issues and his back issues. And at the time, I had gotten in a serious car accident, and I could barely move or walk or breathe or laugh or cry. It was really pretty bad. It was ugly. So I had seen 2 chiropractors who couldn't touch me or adjust me or do anything with me. And every time I came out of their office, I was actually in probably more pain because they had to touch me and massage me, which would hurt. And then I saw a physical therapist that about 2 or 3 sessions of having him work with me, although there was some relief, going through the process was so painful. I thought, if I have to go through another month of this, I'm just going to kill myself. This is just too much. So I have a friend that had mentioned Dr. Hall, and I was on a scale of 1 to 10. I was probably like at 100. It was just so much. It was really painful. So I came in, got adjusted, and within 15 minutes after the adjustment of laying down, getting up, had a little bit of a retracement, but the pain had just dropped to like a 4. I mean, it was just so much relief. I was just in shock.
Now, when you talk about pain, did you have headaches? Did you have back pain? What kind of pain did you have?
Well, it was mainly in my ribs because I had hit my ribs on the side, so they're like short of being cracked or they were bruised, but short of being broken or something. It was just all in the rib side, in the back. I couldn't really lay down, comfortably. I couldn't sleep very well. I was restless.
So you've been under care for 2 months now. Mm-hmm. How much better do you feel than you did before you started?
I mean, short of being perfect of 100%, I'd say like probably 80 or 90% for sure. For sure. Yeah, walking has been good. The sleeping has been better.
What about emotionally?
Yeah, I think it's all good. I think it's just all, very much like they talk about in the retracing. There's a little bit of going forward, a little bit of going backward, but overall, the overall care has been great. And I probably got more attention here than I did with the other doctors. I mean, in terms of just getting the x-rays, getting the information explained to me properly. I felt like I was getting taken care of, and I think my body responded to the actual care. And there was no intrusion. That was the other thing, too. With the other 3, people that I saw, it felt like my body was getting intruded upon, and so it hurt. It would just hurt. Where here, it was just a tap, and, 15 minutes later, 20 minutes later, just really refreshed and felt better. So that was nice.
Perfect. Thank you, Anastasia.
You're welcome.